Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth connection problems. When your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 experiences Bluetooth pairing failures, sudden audio cutouts or dropped connections to wireless earbuds, smartwatches or car infotainment systems, you need to at first unpair and repair the Bluetooth device. Corrupted pairing kits or outdated device handshakes often cause connection drops or audio lag. Open the settings and here go to connections and then Bluetooth. Tap this gear icon near your device, Bluetooth device, and here you need to tap Unpair. Now pair your device back again. Let me do it quickly. Enter the pairing mode on my AirPods. Scan. Here we've got them. Pair. And now it should work. If it doesn't want to work, you need to go to the next thing. Clear cache for Android Bluetooth system application. Scroll all the way down here to the apps, right here, and tap this 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap here filter and sort and enable show system apps. Hit OK and scroll down to the letter B. Tap Bluetooth and scroll down again to the for example storage. Now here, as you can see, I don't know why I've got this grayed out, but here you need to tap clear cache. If a software bug in the background Bluetooth stack freezes your connection service, clearing its cache resolves state errors without wiping your saved pairings. Step number 3. Open General Management and scroll down to Reset. Tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and here tap Reset settings. Then you will need to authorize yourself, probably using your lock screen password. Clearing cached network profiles and Bluetooth registers helps eliminate lingering network conflicts without erasing your photos, messages or files. Apart from that, you need to change Bluetooth audio codec, the AVR CP version. Scroll all the way down to the About phone and here software information. Find build number and tap it 7 times. Then you'll need to authorize yourself using the lock screen password and enable developer options. Here we've got developer options. In the developer options, scroll down to the networking section, which we've got, I think, right here. Yes, networking. Open Bluetooth and scroll down till you see Bluetooth AVR CP version. Here we've got it. And we need to change it. Like here we got it, the default one is 1.6. I mean the default one is 1.5, but you've got set 1.6. You need to change it down to 1.3 or 1.4 and then check if it works. And improve the compatibility with older car stereo systems. Apart from that, here, wait a moment, let me go back to this one. Here, if you scroll down to the HD audio, you can see, audio. Here you can see HD audio and Bluetooth audio codec. Tap Bluetooth audio codec, and then you'll need to select some other codec than LDAC, like for example SBC or AAC. What else can I actually recommend? Go back to the apps and go back to the Bluetooth. If it doesn't work, of course, don't try doing anything strange when it works. Here open filter and sort and again show system apps. Okay, and here in B letter we've got, where is B? Here we've got B. With Bluetooth back again, and here in Bluetooth you need to scroll down to the battery. Make sure it's set to unrestricted. One device aggressive battery optimization can throttle background Bluetooth radio power when the screen is unfolded or turned off, causing audio stuttering or disconnecting smartwatches. And as a last resort, you need to test your phone in the safe mode. How to enter the safe mode? Open your phone's settings. Open your phone's power menu by holding power and volume down simultaneously, and hold your finger on power off. Then click safe mode right here. In the safe mode, your applications, all the applications that are third party, will be isolated. And what does it mean? Third-party equalizer apps, smart home managers, or fitness trackers can lock up the Bluetooth service in the background. So, enter and uninstall faulty applications. If your Bluetooth works properly in the safe mode, or recently installed application or utility is conflicting with the Bluetooth stack, restart normally to exit the safe mode and uninstall recent third-party audio or device management apps. If Bluetooth still disconnects, the issue is rooted in system configurations or physical hardware. And when it comes to hardware or system configurations files, you need to, in the settings, tap warranty and care at the top. Here, scroll all the way down, tap diagnostics, and perform the diagnostic test. You need to rule out the hardware failure of the internal Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antenna module. And the first 10 I think are automatic, and the rest is require actually manual gestures, like for example clicking the button. But here, if everything comes correct, you need to contact device support to say that you've got some software issue. And if you got some Bluetooth issue, like the Bluetooth sensor issue or something like that, transmitter, you need to contact device support to tell them the truth. Bye!